Okay guys, so I'm finally doing the long-awaited Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. 10 looks, 1 palette. I've had lots of requests to do this, so I've had requests to do an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I've had requests to do Sultry, so I thought I'd kill it with two birds, one stone, yeah? So this palette is absolutely stunning. First of all, I love the packaging. I'm not really one to give any cares about packaging. I more so care about how it performs, but it's really pretty. Now, the shadows are all fabulous. I like every single shadow in here. I especially like the gray shadow. All the glitter shimmers are really nice. These browns are nice because they're a neutral tone. They're not too warm. The black is really nice as well. And then it comes with the brush. I wasn't the biggest fan of the brush, but whatever. So I really enjoy this palette. I would say if you own other Anastasia, whatever palettes, I think they're all really similar. So you kind of have to be like, you kind of have to judge for yourself. I didn't own any, so this was my first purchase. I fell in love with the quality. However, they're all very similar palettes, honestly. So I don't see myself picking up any other Anastasia palettes unless one really catches my eye. So I really do enjoy this palette. It's absolutely stunning. Once again, I wanted to mention, I do not edit my eye makeup in the video. I don't put foundation or anything around it. All I do is I don't edit from here to here. I don't edit under eye or under lash line, whatever, my waterline, my eye, my eyebrow, my brow bone, anything. I just edit around it so it gives it a seamless look. I don't have any music in these because I did get copywritten striked for one of them. Oh shit. Stuff's falling. Oh my god. I'm a wreck. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoy. This was a lot of work again, as these always are, but I do get a lot of fulfillment out of them. So I hope you guys really enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!
on. I'ma get so gone. I'ma wake up in the morning with a bra and panties on. I'm an exhibitionist, get to twitching in this bitch. You won't get a taste of candy like you licking licorice. We ain't doing nothing small, real biggie, cause we party and bullshit. It's all we know, really. Chris and I shade, you flossing, freaky and bossy. This bottle is costing you